In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to your Facebook ads using GCash. It's a straightforward process, and with a little guidance, you'll have your ad account funded in no time. First, you'll want to make sure you're in the right place within your Facebook Ads Manager, so let's dive into the details. Start by navigating to the Billing and Payments section in your Ads Manager. This area is essentially the control center for all your payment activities related to your Facebook advertising campaigns. You'll find various options here, but the one we're interested in today is adding funds. Tapping on Add Funds sets us on the right course to ensure that your ad campaigns can run seamlessly without interruption. Now, when you're ready to proceed with adding funds, you'll need to select your desired payment method. Since we're focusing specifically on GCash today, select that as your payment method. GCash is a convenient option for many, especially in the Philippines, due to its ease of use and availability. Once you've selected GCash, you will be prompted to enter the amount you would like to add to your Facebook ads balance. Take a moment here to ensure that you've entered the correct amount, as this will impact how long your ads can run and the kind of reach they will achieve. After you've confirmed the amount, Facebook will present you with a QR code. This QR code is crucial for completing your transaction. At this point, grab your mobile device with the GCash app installed. Make sure that your app is up to date to avoid any glitches during the payment process. Open your GCash app and look for the option to scan a QR code. Usually this feature is easily accessible from the home screen of the app. Position your device's camera over the QR code displayed on your screen and wait for the app to recognize it. It's generally a quick and hassle-free process, provided your internet connection is stable. Once the QR code is scanned, follow any additional on-screen prompts in the GCash app to confirm and complete your payment. You'll usually be asked to double-check the transaction details and confirm the payment with a few taps. It's as simple as that. But before we wrap up, it's crucial to ensure that your ad account currency is set to Philippine peso, abbreviated as PHP. If it's not, GCash may not appear as a payment option, potentially causing some unnecessary frustration. You can usually check and adjust your account currency under your account settings if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added funds to your Facebook ads using GCash. This method is convenient, efficient, and keeps your advertising efforts running smoothly without financial hangups. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in for more helpful tips and tricks.